morning, people. So finally woke up and actually had a very good night's sleep yesterday. One, because of the weather, and second, I think I was very tired as well. So I'm going to show you how mornings look like from where I am. Yep. So good morning. It's kind of like early morning, and there's one thing which I've realized in Sarajevo is like the fresh juice. Especially they have the pomegranate juice, which is going to be right here. Yeah, we're going to be drinking the fresh pomegranate juice right now, and that's how fresh it could be and proper winter drink. So here it is. I'll just have one.
1 cup 3 mark, 1 bottle 5 mark.
Cup. So we're gonna take a small cup. Thank you very much. So here is my drink. Let's try this though. Really fresh, like really fresh. Okay, it's day 2 and I am with my friend, that's Emina, right here. And she's actually told me something very interesting. It is, which I said yesterday, that it was Latin Bridge, where Franz Ferdinand was assassinated and it became the reason for World War I. Actually, it's not that. His assassination was just a trigger, and he was not assassinated on the bridge, which a lot of people get wrong, you know. So Amina has told me it was actually this crossing. It was exactly here where he was assassinated, and the bridge is actually there. All right. So this is the fact here. Thank you. The Emperor's Mosque, and it is here. There is a small cemetery which has important people, especially during the Ottoman and the Austro-Hungarian time. And one such important grave is going to be of this one, Isa Beg. So it's, as you see, and the reason you see is this is how the Imam wear their head, so that's how it kind of like tells about the grave, whose grave it is. And yeah, it was Isa Beg who gave the name to Sarajevo. Yeah. So you should see. And that's the chimney of the Hammam. And this is the Emperor Mosque from inside. Yeah. Here we are. It's been like very beautiful afternoon. That is Nina, Mia's sister. That is Emina, and it's just been an amazing afternoon. We had like the traditional Boston coffee. Okay, just so you know, Boston coffee is Boston coffee. It's not Turkish coffee. All right, let's get that right. All right, you need to have that for sure. And you guys want to say something?
No, hi. Come to Bosnia. Come to Sarajevo.
So that's true. Come to Bosnia, come to Sarajevo. I think it's an amazing place. Yeah. There's so much about it that I've kind of like really fallen in love with the whole place. But yeah, we still have another day to go. Boston coffee, tray setup. Drink the coffee. Yo, Boston coffee. must drink when you come to Sarajevo is the Boston coffee. Yeah, a must have. So here it is. As Amina said, east meets the west. If you just turn right, it's totally different. You see, okay, that's the west, and go to the east, and I think you see the difference, right? If you're confused where to go, like both of us right now are.
Yes, we are.
So what are we gonna do?
We are going to spin and go.
You're gonna spin this.
West, please. Oh,
It says east.
but we were there. Okay, let's try west.
So what do we do?
We'll go to the west.
We
Then
go to the west then, though. So every country I go, I normally buy a souvenir, you know, like to keep it, keep as a memory, you know. So in Bosnia, Bosnian coffee, as by now you know, is very famous. So we just got the whole set, which is this. Yeah, this is the shop where of souvenirs. Yeah. How do I say Petra?
Petrakija.
Petrakija.
Yes, petrakija.
All right. So one of the important things when I travel around the world is try the local wines or the local beer. And we are right now in Sarajevo in Bosnia, and this shop is called Petrakija.
Petrakija, yes.
Petrakija, and they have an amazing collection of the local wines from Bosnia. So as you see, this is the one which I tried yesterday, Vranak. Very, very good. I would actually recommend someone to try this. It is also an award winner. Yep. So we are actually trying today this one. Garces Latina. Yep. And that is the whole shop. And it's very... Dobran, good morning from Sarajevo, and my trip in Bosnia and Herzegovina is done, country number 87. I hope you liked the vlog, and I hope you do come to a beautiful country, to Bosnia, a country full of culture, history, traditional Boston coffee, very tasty, and more important I think is the people, the Boston people. So most lovable people, and it's amazing, you know. I would really like people to visit Bosnia. So much love from Baba Legends.